Hi, I'm Chinmay Chigga and I study in class 5. I study in Biswa Shastri School, Ludhiana, Punjab. I am here to do my certification for Google Maps. So let us start. Firstly, we have to add our home address. Firstly, I will tell you how to open Google Maps. Type here google.com, then click on apps and get the map. Here, maps. I have to get my home address. So you have to click on menu, your places, home. Now we have to set our home address, which is so this is my home address, and now I click on save to save my home address. So while clicking here, I get my home address. Now search your favorite place on Google Map. Okay. My favorite place should be here. So this is Galapagos, my favorite place, Galapagos Island. Now create a doc and copy the link. Copy the quick facts about that place into the file. Okay, so firstly I'll open here docs. Here I'll type so this is the Wikipedia of Galapagos Islands. We can select from here to here. I'll select till here. If you want to select it till your favorite, till your choice, you can select it. So you can do the right click, copy or Control plus C. Here, then you can do Control V, and here you have, I have got it and I have copied. You can see. We have to get directions about your school from your home by driving. Okay. Directions. I'll select and switch. Here is my school. So the distance is 2 kilometers, 6 minutes from drive. Here's from here is 6 minutes. So this is shortest. Here is 6 minutes. Here is 2.1 kilometer. So this is one the shortest. So I'll take this one. And there are the details. That how turn right, then the roundabout, then you'll reach on the destination. Like this. And it is via Krishna Mandir Road, via Canal Road, and via Pakwal Road. So these are the drives. This is our drive. And so next, add another destination in the map and create a route with multiple destinations and show details of the route. So I'll add MBD Mall. So it would be 19 minutes by drive and only via Krishna Mandir Road. Details. Firstly, turn right, roundabout, then on by school, then it reaches itself. So now, you have to look for Gateway of India in Google Maps. It's so easy. You just have to write here Gateway of India. Here it comes. This is Gateway of India. Now, look in the street view of Gateway of India. This is street view and this is satellite view. You can see this as with satellite. Now it is the street view. Now we have to see 3D view of any one image. So satellite, I'll do it really short like this. Oh. here I remove the destination. I'll do it short. Now here you can click here, show imagery, and I would like to see this one. And by clicking on control scroll, we can minimize or maximize, and by scrolling it we can change it, and this is 3D view. So now look for the nearby restaurants of Gateway of India. So firstly I have to search for Gateway of India. And nearby restaurants nearby, and these are some restaurants nearby Gateway of India. So now in your contributions add one image. So here I'll go back your contributions, photos. I have in the contribute add and check the facts, and here I have added the facts, and I can select anyone like this one. So here as the contribution system, facts checked 1. So now measure the distance between any two locations famous in your city. I'll search for MBT Mall, directions, and select it as, and then search for Rakba. So the distance has came, you can see, and so I have done the certification. So that's all from my side. Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.